the Evil Genius from Widget Laboratory with your Lab Secrets tip of the day. Today we're proud to announce the release of our latest version of LabPhotobooth. LabPhotobooth follows on the footsteps of LabPhotos by allowing you to have private group photo booth photos. Yes, that's right. Now you can have all the site members who join a private group let loose on their inhibitions and go wild, because now they don't have to worry about it ending up into the public activity stream. What does this mean? Let me show you how it works, and I think you'll understand. If you recall from our other Lab Photos update video, now we have the option when you join a particular private group or create one to go ahead and upload your photos only into that group. And just like you show here, I have the Evil Genius photo library for the private group I just created. If I go back over here to remind you that, I went over to groups and I started a new group called Evil Genius Private Group. And notice it's a private group when I highlight this over here. And so what happens is with the regular photos, when I upload a photo there, it will not show in the public activity stream. It will only show inside of this private group photo album and inside of this private group activity stream, which is terrific because that means that you can have a sort of private container of only things having to do with this particular group. Now, how does this affect the new updated version of LabPhotobooth? Well, real simple. When I click over on add a photo, or I should say over here, the photos button, I'm taken to the photo library area, and then I can click on Photo Booth. And when I do, the first thing I'll see if I haven't run it before is the Adobe Flash Player settings. I click on Allow to turn it on, and here I am in the studio. Now, there's going to be a little delay, and I have to look at a different area than I normally look, but then you or your member can go ahead and click Start, and you get to take 4, really fast, fun, spontaneous photos. So, let's do some fun. Obviously, you can think of all the ideas, what people can do here. And last but not least, okay, when it's all done, we've got something we like, we can go ahead and upload it. Or if we don't like it, we can click on Start Over. If I click on Upload It, here's the big deal. With a new version of the plugin, now it's been uploaded to this particular group only. So I'm going to add some details here. Spen's having fun, demonstrating LabPhotobooth, private group only. Put my tag on there, save changes. Now let's see what the difference is. Of course, this is going to show up in an individual photo, and it's going to be attached to me privately. But more importantly, here's where it's going to show up in terms of the group versus the public activity stream. First of all, it will show up in this private group where I started it, and here it is. But if we go back to the main activity stream, you'll notice that there's nothing there. That's right. Nobody else needs to know except the members of your private group that you uploaded a photo booth photo there. So have fun with it, enjoy it, and there's a lot of ways you can actually use this to encourage member participation. Have contests, have people do silly things, have people do other things. Whatever your imagination allows for, this is a great little addition so you can get spontaneous input from people who are on your site and not just the boring old photos that they upload from wherever they may have taken them before. All right, so this is your tip of the day from Spence at labsecrets.com. If you are a Lab Secrets plan holder, you can get this automatically for free as part of your regular software pack. And if you want to purchase it, it's also available for purchase on your own standalone site over at labsecrets.com.